Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to install Tampermonkey on Android. First, open the Play Store and search for Yandex Browser. Then install it and open the app. Now, search for the Chrome Web Store, then open it. After that, in Store, search for Tampermonkey and tap on Add to Chrome. Wait a few seconds until it finishes installing. Once it's installed, tap the three dots in the browser and open extensions. Then select Tampermonkey. After that, you need to enable developer mode. So just type this and search it and open the page. Then turn on developer mode. That's it. Now you can use Tampermonkey on your Android device without any problems. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.